I firmly believe that you don't know where you're going unless you know where you've been.
I realized that like everybody really ages. So this program would be like a wonderful way for me to understand the process of aging.
We all have that like innate need to connect and to feel seen and to feel heard.
These three people are connected through Linked Generations, a program that brings together seniors and youth. It gives them the chance to share their life experiences with each other and to develop meaningful relationships.
We all come together.
Mila Robinson is the Volunteer Resources Coordinator at Circle of Care, a seniors agency that brought Linked Generations to Canada. She says the program helps address problems made worse by the pandemic.
We want to address feelings of isolation with our seniors. We want to bridge the intergenerational gap that is, forever growing with the stereotypes associated with aging, with the stereotypes associated with being young. There's ageism on both ends, so we want to address those problems.
So how did this solution come about? Let's break it down. Up Social Canada is a nonprofit that connects underserved communities with programming meant to increase belonging. First, Up Social sources programs like Linked Generations from around the world. Then it partners with local hubs like Unison Health and Community Services to bring them to neighborhoods like Branson. After Up Social's successful pilot, called the Caring Community Challenge, Circle of Care picked up the program. Originally developed in Maryland, Linked Generations is one of 3 programs out of dozens that community members here voted for. It then started training local youth, like 16-year-old Caitlin Ju, to have themed conversations with seniors every week for 5 weeks.
Because I'm Korean, most of my family lives like in Korea, and so I don't have connections to my grandparents, such as my grandmother who lives all the way in Korea. So I talk to like elderly people to sort of understand that they're like their own walk of life.
So I can teach younger people.
Lou Vandelman, a program participant, has 88 years of wisdom to share with Toronto's youth. Linked Generations was also a chance for him to glimpse into the unique struggles of a generation he has no other connection to.
Whoever thought in my lifetime, my younger years, that to buy a house would cost me over $1.5 million? Ridiculous. The houses we bought were $35,000.
In the end, Vandelman believes knowledge is a two-way street and that youth have as much to offer as seniors.
We have to learn from them how they are surviving. And we have to help them to know us, and we have to learn how to know them. Because we have to coexist. And that's the business that I learned so far.
For The Green Line, I'm Anita Li reporting with CityNews Toronto.